Namaste student, welcome to today's art and craft session. Today we are going to learn how to do the pencil shading. Open your visual art book, page number 15. Today we are going to learn how to do pencil shading. Before we start coloring any picture, first we should practice for coloring with light and dark stroke. We can press either soft or hard with your crayons or color pencils to create a lighter or darker stroke. Now as you see in this box, it is light. That means we have to put light pressure on our color pencil. Here it is colored darkly, means we have to keep more pressure on our color pencil. So I will show this box. We will start from top and then go slowly to bottom by using very light pressure. You can either use crayons or color pencils to do this shading. I am using color pencils. Okay, so complete this. So like this, with light pressure you have to complete these all the boxes by putting less pressure on your color pencil. Now this is colored darkly, so you have to put more pressure. Now I am putting more pressure on my color pencil and I will complete this box. Now this I completed with dark shade by putting more pressure. Now same like this, how we completed this with lighter pressure, you have to do it and complete these boxes like this. Like this you have to complete all these boxes. Now we'll start with the next page, page number 16. It is from strokes are from dark shade to light shade. We'll start from up, from darker shade, and then we'll go to lighter shade down. So put more pressure to the upper side and go light to down. Like this you have to go from dark, medium and light. So with blue color, green and yellow color you have to complete these boxes. Now like this you have to complete these boxes also. Now we'll go to next part. It is from top, from light to dark. So at the starting we'll put less pressure and then slowly we'll go down with dark, more pressure. So we'll start with very light shade and then slowly I'm increasing the pressure on my color pencil and giving a dark stroke. Like this we will complete all the boxes. Complete these boxes also with this technique. Now we'll go to next shading. This is again from dark to light. This is light to dark, and here we'll mix two colors and complete the shading. So like this, complete all these boxes on page number 17. Page number 18, that diagonally you have to keep the strokes from darker to lighter. Like this, in diagonal direction you have to complete from dark to light. These boxes also complete like this. Now we'll do the diagonally, but we'll start from light to dark shade. So this is lighter, and then increase the pressure and do it dark. Like this, you complete all these 4 boxes. Now we'll start with page number 19. Dark green shade from dark to light, yellow shade from light to dark. So like this, you complete all these boxes on page number. Now we'll start with page number 20. It is vertical strokes from left to right. Now vertical stroke from dark to light. Like this, complete all these 4 boxes from dark to light. Now again we'll start from right to left with lighter to dark strokes. Like this, you complete these boxes. Now we'll start the same method from left to right red stroke, from right to left blue stroke, and then like this box. Like this, we'll complete all these boxes of page number 21. Now page number 22 will start. Page number 22, the middle, this box will start from the middle and go towards right and left to the lighter shade, and in the middle it will come as dark. Like this, complete all these boxes and complete all the pages till page 22.